Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off screen timeout. In settings, in screen timeout section, you won't find any option to turn off the screen timeout or any off option or any turn on until you turn on it option like this on this section to always turn on your screen. So there's default, in default there will find some settings, these timers that you can set up, but there's no other specific option to turn off this screen timer. So for that we must need to use a third-party application that can help us to keep our screen turn on, always turn on, and turn off this screen timeout on our Samsung Galaxy S25. So the application is Caffeine, and here is the application name and the icon. You must need to search for Caffeine and you will find this application which will help you to keep your screen on until you turn it off. Now I'm going to install it. Tap on install and it will start installing. Now you can see I have just installed this Caffeine app on my device. Now we have a little configuration to do to set up this Caffeine app on our Samsung Galaxy S25. So here you can find this. We have to configure the ignore battery optimization option. So we just need to go to the at the bottom where we will find this not here in this advanced section we will find this ignore battery optimization. Tap on it and you just need to search for this Caffeine app and tap on it. Now from here you just need to select unrestricted, and that's how you can now use Caffeine app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or S25 without any type of restrictions. Now from here you will find timeout, where you can find it is already set up for infinite. So that means it won't turn off your screen until you turn off this option. So that means you just turn off the screen timeout on your Samsung Galaxy S25. Here you can find also some timers that you can use for screen timeout, but if you tap on infinite, that means you just turn off the screen timeout on your device. That's all. Hope you found this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.